Alright, hey guys. I wanted to do a prototype of a sculpture I want to try to make. Something like this one, but just a little more complex. So I don't even know if I can do what I want to do. But what I did was I went and bought some plastic shower curtains, and I'm going to cut them in half and see if I can make a mock-up of it. So I got some Play-Doh, got some super glue, hot glue. I don't even know if I'm going to need all these things, but it's always good to have a hot glue coat. Ow. The reason I'm trying to use Play-Doh instead of just hot glue is that I want to be able to move them around, flexible, the joints that is, while I'm trying to mock this up. Well, clearly this isn't going to work with Play-Doh. I'm going to have to use the hot glue. Okay, so this makes me think it's possible to do what I want to try to do. Basically, make a continuous loop with half rings. Let's set that aside for now. So this one just used 4 rings. This one is 5. So this tells me it is possible to do more complex arrangements with half rings. You might see that very soon in Cammy's garage.